What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the unable to load video error you are getting when trying to load a video on your iPhone. This issue is usually caused by problems with your internet connection or storage issues on your device. First, let's check if you have enough storage on your iPhone. Sometimes, the error occurs because your device doesn't have enough space to load the video. Open your Settings app, navigate to General, and then tap on iPhone Storage. Here, you can see how much storage is available and manage your storage if necessary. It might take a second to load your storage information, and if you feel like you don't have enough storage left, then you can simply delete unneeded apps or watched movies from here, anything with a large file size. When this is done, try restarting your iPhone. This simple step can often resolve minor software glitches that might be causing the issue. Quickly press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then press and hold the power button until the slide to power off screen appears. Then slide to turn off your iPhone. After your iPhone turns off, press and hold the power button again to turn it back on. Alternatively, you can shut down your iPhone through your general iPhone settings. After making sure you have enough storage and restarting your device, you should make sure you're using a reliable network connection. An unstable internet connection can prevent videos from loading properly. Try toggling your Wi-Fi and cellular data off and then on again. Open the Control Center by swiping down from the top right of the screen and tap the Wi-Fi and cellular icons to turn them off. Then tap again to turn them on. To ensure your network speed is sufficient, use an app like Speedtest or visit speedtest.net in your browser to check your connection speed. Sometimes, this problem is caused by photos and videos being stored in a cloud or on another Apple ID device. To fix this, go to Settings, tap on Photos, and then tap on Mobile Data. Make sure that mobile data is enabled. This setting ensures that your iPhone can download higher quality versions of your photos and videos using cellular data if Wi-Fi is not available. When this is done, make sure to disable low power mode if it's enabled. Low power mode can limit some functions to save battery, which might prevent videos from loading correctly. Go to Settings, tap on Battery, and make sure low power mode is turned off. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. Software updates often include bug fixes that can resolve various issues. To check for updates, head back to your main settings and tap on General again. From here, select Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. If the problem is specific to a particular app, you might need to update the app. Open your App Store on your iPhone and look up the app in the search section. From here, make sure to download the latest update if it's not already up to date. This should fix the unable to load video error you are getting when trying to load a video on your iPhone. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.